We are the Robo Birds, and this is our week 1 and 2 of our build recap.
I'm Varshnara Anand, and I am the Chassis, Bumper, and Field Element Officer. Chassis is going pretty good so far. We did make a lot of progress in actually finishing the chassis, and then we had to backtrack because Andy Mark was giving us some troubles. But other than that, we've been starting cutting wood for Field Elements, so hopefully we can get our half charge station pretty soon.
Alright, what's up guys? I'm one of the mechanical officers here on the Mahwah robotics team. So recently we bought a bunch of Bread Max tubes with the grid pattern on it, so we have cut that up and we're gonna go make that into our 30 second stage elevator. And we're also prototyping with our intake system, so what we're doing is we're doing a stacked intake where we have a cube intake on the bottom and a cone intake on top, so we can just go down on the gate piece and pick it up. It's looking pretty promising from what we've tested with our prototype, so I'm really excited to see how it's going to pan out on the real thing, so stick around.